this is Anahata Ananda, your shamanic healer and soul guide, coming to you from breathtaking Sedona, Arizona. And thank you so much for reaching out and inquiring about the different Shamangelic Sessions that we have available here. And I appreciate whatever it is you're going through. There's lots of different ways that I can help you through it. So they're usually 2-hour sessions, and whether it's spiritual awakening or kind of deep healing or relationship challenges or health challenges that you're going through, listed below and on the website are all kinds of different options, whether that's chakra balancing or tools for healthy conscious relationships, vibrant health and vitality, spiritual card readings. There is also clear boundaries, balancing the feminine and masculine. There's really all kinds of different sessions to help, and we will find the one that fits you the best. So check out the descriptions below and on the website to kind of feel into what you think might be the best fit for you. So if you already know, then I would check the calendar and book now, because I tend to book up fast and I want to make sure that I get time with you. And if you're not quite sure what you want and you need help helping decide what would be the best fit for you based on what you're going through, then fill out the inquiry form if you haven't already, and we'll get back with you with the right session that we recommend based on what your issues and challenges are right now. So I look forward to tailoring a perfect experience to provide whatever support you need right now, and you are in safe hands. And thank you for reaching out. Let's find the perfect session for you, and I look forward to a deep, soulful journey with you here in Sedona.